Africa ShipOwner. Now that we have this war in Iran, then perhaps, dear Africa ShipOwner, it's time to think about what about this company from Bilbao, Candina Group, 5 generations, 126 years old. These Basque and the Spanish companies were the first ones to go to America and return. Some wonder, but who knows, they never returned. And here we are proposing a business for you, dear Africa ShipOwner, to return. Offshore, chemical, dredge, bunker, container, ferry, ro-ro, bulker, any type ship. We have experience. We have experience in transparency, ESG, environment, social governance. Now is very important because we have to place cadet mixed with either European officers or whatever sector expertise the talent is going to be missing, because we need to make this talent grow and develop the Africa Maritime Strategic Community. We have done that since many thousand years here as well as in Africa, so we have this in common. We will stay here. Now is a huge opportunity if you have ships trading to America or trading within Africa or trading to Europe. These sectors are going to grow, and it's the time to think about the flag, the transparency, the corporate social responsibility, the new tendencies of software, either QuinSpector or the Adonis, and also use this Copilot and the Cloud and these new AI techniques. Why? Because we are in the same time frame, so we are available 24/7 to comment any solutions for the long-term development, of the African talent, and so they can grow up the ladder, and then that make robust maritime community. Thank you for your time, and hope that very soon you don't think of us as expensive. No, that was the Northern Europeans that are very, very expensive. There's not many left anymore, and with the taxes they have really eliminated any growth in the maritime sector for the maritime community. Here, for example, we have 300 cadets. We can mix cadets and we can do many new things that we have been doing since 1965. We started the LNGs and so on. So anyway, thank you very much indeed for your time. Bye.